takes an injury, I'm sharing my blood. If you make an attempt, I'll be airing a slug. Always helping, but nobody wants to help me, it's rough. Have a brother OD, cause it's never enough.
If my brother ever need me, know I'm there when it's tough. Can't forget my young hitters, gotta share with the pops. Seeing hella jealousy, I swear it's tearing me up. Brothers tell me that they love me, but that's barely enough. Yeah, I feel low, next day I'm on the top of the world. I don't know, I'm kinda lost for my words. My broski A Wizzy went and got him some work, and Jay White just hopped in the murk. Yeah, hand on my heart for my brothers, them I do me some dirt. But then again, they wouldn't let me, they ain't new to the curb. Where I'm from, we put in loyalty and unity first, so we don't move if we can't move with the herd.
I'm making movies, brother, fuck what you heard. Everybody